Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our English lessons. Today, inshallah, we're going to answer Unit 1 entitled Authors in our workbook. Let's start. Now, my dear students, open your workbook, page 11. The first exercise is fill in the spaces with words from the list. The words are literature, significant, document, reputation, variety, influence. The sentence number 1 is, I was surprised by the space of the choices that bookshop offer. Number 2, he has earned a space as a first-class playwright. Number 3, historians usually space all important events in history. Number 4, Saud went to the space section to borrow a book for Najib Mahfouz. Number 5, every Muslim should read the space story of Al-Isra wal-Mi'raj. Number 6, she claims that her personal problems played no space on her decision to resign. Now, pause our video, take your time to think more and answer well. Now, my dear students, let's check your answers. Number 1, variety. Number 2, reputation. Number 3, document. Number 4, literature. Number 5, significant. Number 6, influence. Now let's go to another exercise. Put the following words in their correct place. You have 4 words that are novelist, document, significant, and devotedly. And you have 4 columns: noun, adverb, verb, adjective. Now pause our video and take your time. Let's check your answers. Novelist is a noun. Devotedly is an adverb. Document is a verb. Significant is an adjective. Now, match the following words with their definitions. You have 3 words on the left: association, regard, and devotedly. And on the right, depend on, people work together in an organization, to consider or think of in a specified way, in an extremely loyal way. Pause our video and take your time. Now let's check your answers. Association will take people work together in an organization. regard will take to consider or think of in a specified way. Devotedly will take in an extremely loyal way. Now, put the following words in sentences of your own. You have 3 words: popularity, non-fiction, and novelist. Pause our video and take your time. Think more before answering. Take your time. Now let's read your sentences. The first sentence will be, our leader has great popularity. Our leader has great popularity. The second sentence, some people like reading some non-fiction stories. Some people like reading some non-fiction stories. The third sentence, Charles Dickens was a great novelist. Charles Dickens was a great novelist. Now, your workbook, page 12. Find the matching sentences. Find the matching sentences. Number 1 on the left, yes, he speaks Swedish very well. Number 2, does Sammy have a driving license? Number 3, we booked tickets for today's movie. Number 4, my friend's clothes got wet because of the rain. Number 5, the teacher usually gives her student homework. Number 6, when does he like to read books? And on the right, what did you do today? Who drank my coffee? No, Sammy doesn't have a driving license. What does the teacher give her students? He likes to read books in the morning. Does he speak Swedish well? Why did your friend's clothes get wet? What did you do today? Now, pause our video and take your time. Think more before answering. Now, let's check your answers. Number 1, yes, he speaks Swedish very well. We'll take, does he speak Swedish well? Number 2, does Sammy have a driving license? We'll take, no, Sammy doesn't have a driving license. Number 3, we booked tickets for today's movie. We'll take, what did you do today? Number 4, my friend's clothes got wet because of the rain. We'll take, why did your friend's clothes get wet? Number 5, the teacher usually gives her students homework. We'll take, what does the teacher give her students? Number 6, when does he like to read books? We'll take, he likes to read books in the morning. And now, another task. Make sentences as in the example. Number 1, she can't stop the car. Crash. She's going to crash. She's going to crash. Number 2. They are late. Use miss class. Number 3. Fahd has got his camera. Use take photos. Number 4. Muhammad's putting up a for sale sign. Sell his bike. Use it. Number 5. Mom's looking at a recipe. Use make a cake. Pause this video and take your time. Think more to answer well. Let's check your answers. They are late. They are going to miss the class. Number 3. Fahd has got his camera. Use take photos. He is going to take some photos. Number 4. Muhammad's putting up a for sale sign. To use sell his bike, we will say he is going to sell his bike. Now, number 5, Mom's looking at a recipe. To use make a cake, we will say she is going to make a cake. Now, another task. You are a reporter. Interview your friends about their summer plans. Look at the table and in groups. You can do that with your relatives, neighbors, or friends. Ask and answer questions, as in the example. What are you going to do in the summer? I am going to learn how to play piano. Yeah. On the right, number 1, do in India. Visit Taj Mahal. Number 2, appear on a TV show, a historical movie. Number 3, go on tour to Africa during summer holiday. You can pause your video to take your time. This is our closure for today. Write 10 things you are going to do this summer. This is so important. Try to do that. Now, my dear students, thank you for today. See you next time. Goodbye.